Imagine a sea of mirrors, so vast it could cover over 600 football fields. Now picture these mirrors, all 500,000 of them, meticulously angled to capture the sun's rays, transforming them into clean, sustainable energy. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of the world's largest solar generator, a beacon of hope in our quest for a greener future. This marvel of engineering, recently switched on, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to combating climate change. It's a powerful symbol of the potential of renewable energy and a crucial step towards reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Located in specify location, this solar colossus stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to renewable energy. This solar behemoth is officially the largest of its kind, a true marvel of modern engineering. It surpasses all previous records, boasting a capacity to power specify number homes with clean, sustainable energy, reducing our carbon footprint significantly. This incredible feat is achieved through the ingenious use of 500,000 individual mirrors, each meticulously designed and placed. These mirrors are strategically positioned to maximize sunlight capture, ensuring no ray goes to waste. These mirrors, known as heliostats, are not just reflecting surfaces, they are the heart of this solar giant. They are sophisticated tracking devices equipped with advanced technology. They move in unison, following the sun's path across the sky throughout the day, capturing every possible ray of sunlight. This ensures optimal energy generation from dawn till dusk, making the most of the available daylight hours. This synchronized dance of mirrors creates a mesmerizing spectacle, a ballet of light and technology. It is a beautiful and innovative display dedicated to powering our world sustainably, a true beacon of hope for a greener future. The world is facing an unprecedented energy crisis. Our reliance on traditional energy sources is pushing us towards a tipping point. Traditional fossil fuels, the backbone of our energy infrastructure for centuries, are finite resources. As we continue to deplete these reserves, the environmental and economic costs are becoming increasingly unsustainable. Their extraction and use come at a heavy environmental cost, contributing significantly to climate change. The pollution from burning fossil fuels is leading to severe health issues and environmental degradation. The need for alternative, sustainable energy sources has never been more critical. Renewable energy offers a path forward, one that can mitigate the damage and provide a sustainable future. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind and hydro offer a viable solution. These technologies are not only cleaner but also increasingly cost-effective as advancements continue. They harness the power of nature, replenishing themselves naturally and providing clean energy without harming our planet. By investing in these technologies, we can reduce our carbon footprint and protect our environment. The world's largest solar generator is a powerful example of how we can transition to a future powered by renewables. It demonstrates the potential for large-scale clean energy production, ensuring energy security and a healthier planet for generations to come. The time to act is now, for the sake of our planet and future generations. The technology behind this solar giant lies in the incredible power of reflection. Each of the 500,000 mirrors acts like a powerful magnifying glass, concentrating sunlight onto a central receiver. This receiver, perched atop a tall tower, absorbs the intense heat generated by the highly focused sunlight. The concentrated heat is then used to create steam, a crucial step in the process. This steam drives a turbine, which in turn powers a generator, efficiently producing electricity. It's a remarkably elegant and efficient process, harnessing the immense power of the sun to generate clean energy, leaving behind no harmful emissions. A moment of radiance. The day the solar generator was switched on was a momentous occasion. Engineers, scientists, and dignitaries gathered to witness the culmination of years of planning and hard work. As the sun rose, casting its golden rays across the field of mirrors, anticipation filled the air. With the flick of a switch, the mirrors came to life, moving in unison to capture the sunlight. The central receiver, bathed in intense light, began to heat up, and soon the turbine roared to life, generating clean electricity. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to human innovation and a giant leap towards a sustainable future. A brighter future, powered by the sun. The world's largest solar generator is more than just an engineering marvel, it's a symbol of hope for a future powered by renewable energy. This massive installation harnesses the power of the sun, converting it into clean, sustainable electricity that can power thousands of homes and businesses. Its sheer scale and efficiency demonstrate that we have the technology to move away from fossil fuels and embrace a cleaner, more sustainable future. The solar generator operates seamlessly from dawn to dusk, capturing the sun's energy and transforming it into a reliable power source. This project paves the way for similar large-scale renewable energy initiatives around the world. As more countries recognize the benefits of solar energy, we see a surge in the construction of solar farms and other renewable energy projects. It serves as a beacon, inspiring governments, businesses, and individuals to invest in and adopt clean energy solutions. The collaboration between engineers, scientists, and policymakers is crucial in driving this transformation. The fight against climate change requires a global effort, and this solar giant is a shining example of what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. By uniting our efforts, we can create a brighter, more sustainable future for generations to come. The implications of this solar project extend far beyond its impressive energy output. By generating clean energy, it significantly reduces carbon emissions, directly combating climate change. The environmental benefits are numerous, from cleaner air to a healthier planet for future generations. Moreover, it serves as a powerful symbol of our commitment to environmental stewardship. It demonstrates that we have the technology and the will to transition away from fossil fuels and embrace a sustainable future. This project sends a clear message to the world. A clean energy future is within our reach. The world's largest solar generator is a remarkable achievement, but it's just the beginning. The transition to a sustainable future requires a collective effort, and each one of us has a role to play. What are your thoughts on this groundbreaking project? How do you think we can accelerate the adoption of renewable energy? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Together we can create a brighter future powered by the sun.